Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be giving you the basics on what you need to do eyelash extensions, okay? It's really easy. Vacations, and honestly I don't use them. It's not like I say, hey, I'm certified, this and that. No, basically need an esthetician, but to do this like on the side, something you enjoy doing, you just want to feel like giving somebody like some cute ass eyelashes, then here you go. So the necessities you need, like the basics, so you can start off, you can always grow and add more or different types and different styles. So the basics that you're gonna need are gonna need some eye pads. This is to lay down the bottom hairs. You're gonna also need some tape. This is to help you lay down the bottom hairs, I guess you can say. You're gonna need some lash glue. Sky glue. Everything I have can be bought on Amazon, which is where I basically buy everything, or where I started buying everything, but now I use different brands for different stuff. You're gonna need a spoolie. And these you can buy big old packs of them on Amazon. Like I said, I get everything off Amazon, like the little stuff like spoolies, iPads, rings, glue rings, my lash trays, my older lash trays, which is Lash View, it's just the brand I used to use. I got it off Amazon because these were really good for when I first started off. In a different video, I'm gonna go over the curl, the length, and the thickness, okay? And you're also gonna need your tweezers. Again, I have a whole bunch of different tweezers, which I've just constantly been buying different tweezers to test out different things. Again, I can show you guys how I do lash extensions in a separate video if you guys want. And you're also gonna need cleaning supplies. Like I use alcohol, and then I was also using Barbicide. Your lash table can be bought off of Amazon as well. They're really cheap. They're like for less than $100. I just want to give you a rough estimate on how much they are, but they're roughly $100. You can buy your lights on there as well. You can buy different styles of lights. This is just the one I use. Move it up and down. I'm using that right now for my light right here. But that's basically the light I use. Simple things. You need a light, a table, your tweezers, your spoolies, your glue rings, your glue, your lashes, and your pads. That's basically it. Okay guys, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments down below. Again, I'm gonna make different videos for different things concerning eyelash extensions, so let me know what you want to see. Okay, I'll see you in my next video.